Today it's a rainy day here in Tellico Plains, Tennessee. We're about an hour and some change outside of Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. Today we're going to explore a little bit of the Tellico Plains area, and our first stop is the Tellico Blockhouse. Dawn, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do this. So the Tellico Blockhouse was a United States fortification constructed in 1794. The Tellico Blockhouse served as a check against white settlement deeper into the Cherokee lands. And this area is also home to the Cherohala Skyway, which is a beautiful road. It's almost like the Foothills Parkway. And it's got beautiful, it kind of rides the ridge. And during the fall time, it's absolutely amazing. We have never driven that stretch, so we're going to do that. Yeah, so this is the Little Tennessee River here. It's an old United States fortress for white settlement in the Cherokee Nation here. And you can see the foundation of where, the little, the fortress would have been. And then there's a blockhouse. That's what it would have been like. They probably would have had these at different corners of the fort. And that's just one of them.
Did you notice that the flag is made out of a wooden flagpole?
And this here is the foundation of the fort, and this probably would have been the main entrance, right? So there's 15 stars if I counted them right. There's water down in there.
Oh, wow.
So I'm assuming this has been rebuilt to give you an idea of what the fortress would have looked like. Back in, there was only 15 states back then. And they would have had these little doors that opened up and they could shoot their muskets or their rifles and stuff out of. A little rain, a little wind, but it's all about the experience. Yeah, you can see the different foundations to the different structures. And this probably was another one of the blockhouses. And over there is Fort Loudon. That's a British fort over there. The Cherokee sieged it, and the British had to march back home after the loss. And then the Cherokee burnt the original fort down. But they have a mock-up fort over there that you can kind of look and see what it was like. But we're going to get back to the car because it is pouring, and I mean pouring down rain. And but it's still a beautiful day to be out here. It's always a great day to be alive. Except for my shoes. My shoes are soaked. Woo! That rain was something, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And I got red clay all over my
I don't know why he did that. He jumped right in there. I seen it. I'm like, I went all the way around.
It is. It's very mucky, and my glasses are... The humidity is really high. Mm-hmm. So we are here at Benton's Smoky Mountain Hams. Now, not too long ago, we did a review at a place called Callaway's, which was in a gas station, and they featured Benton's ham and bacon. Well, we are here at their store, their factory store, or where it happens, right? And it is raining. it is pouring. I think we probably already said that. It's not gonna let up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for a break in the rain.
Seems like it got worse.
And then we're gonna head on in real quick, and we'll check this out. We'll see what this country Tennessee goodness is about. They got the hams hanging. Oh boy, that rain is coming down. Woo. And there's bacon. It's very smoky smelling in here. Hams made the old way. Even Guy Fieri has been here. Oh wow.
These are the hams we're deboning and trimming right in there.
Oh, okay.
These are about 8-month-old, unsmoked and smoked country hams.
Oh wow. Not bad. 1 pound packs for $10. Madisonville, Tennessee. That's hams made the old-fashioned way. And the folks in there were really, really cool. They gave us a little tour, and they showed us, like, you know, how they hang all the, you know, the hams and how they smoke it. They use hickory to smoke a lot of their different types of bacon and stuff like that. And it's very smoky in there. In fact, we reek of smoke now. And I don't
stink.
You guys all know Dawn if you've been watching the video long enough.
It was kind of like...
Yeah, it's like a campfire. Today has been filled with Tennessee, right? You know, Tennessee goodness. And Benton's is another one of those places. But really, really cool. We also got some bacon. For later on, we'll make a sandwich or something. That'd be really cool, right?
I don't know. If it's that bad smoke flavored, it'll be all your BLTs.
Yeah. But if you are, if you're over here in Madisonville area, if you're coming up through Atlanta, yet again, stop here at Benton's. Get some authentic Tennessee. Now we're on our way to Tellico Plains. The rain has lifted up a little bit.
Yeah.
We're just coming into Tellico Plains. Beautiful mountains straight ahead. So we're here in Tellico. It's a cute little town, and it is the beginning of Cherohala Skyway. So it's an old grist mill paddle wheel. It probably belonged to an old mill at one time, but it's in the middle of town. I think it's just here for decoration. But it's really cool. It really sets off town, gives it a little bit of flair. So this old co-op gas station, I think once was a train station. Yeah, it's an old train station, so I'm assuming the tracks had run through here, probably right through here at one time. But an old train station. I'm assuming the old train used to come through here. And right in the town here, in the town square, they have this stage. I bet you during their festivals and stuff, they're probably sitting out here in their lawn chairs, you know, listening to some picking and a grinning. Got Tellico goods and gear, fish skins, town square. Yeah, there's just something about a little mountain town, little shops and surrounded by the mountains. So we're gonna head into the Tellico Grains Bakery.
The other day, Saturday,
Yeah.
it was packed.
Yeah, it always is on a Saturday.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. So just one cookie, right?
How much?
Just one cookie?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. And then two more coffees is $9.80.
Yeah, Tellico goods and gear. And they have a Cherokee National Forest sign, and they even have a little, I think it's a cheese tray, a little Millennium Falcon cheese tray.
That's funny.
That is cool.
We got deviled eggs.
I got the little raccoon and the fox riding a bike. Yeah, so they have some camping gear. They got, you know, sleeping bags and hammocks and pretty much everything you need. Of course, if you're out in this area, chances are you're probably doing some camping or fishing or canoeing, bike riding, something. I really love this print here. It's $25. It's Dolly, of course, Dollywood, and everything's in her hair. Rock City over there. Very, very cool. They got some pretty cool stuff in there. I like that print of Dolly, and I was thinking about it, and it's like, Dawn's like, you got a lot of prints of Dolly and other things, so, but I'll have to remember that. Maybe another time. And the clouds are looking angry.
Looks like it's gonna start up again.
It's already starting to sprinkle.
I see now the rainbow. Where's the rainbow?
Yeah, where's the rainbow today?
Where is it?
Cold bottle of water, and
We bought some cookies at the
Yes.
bakery.
Mmm.
So I got an apple Danish.
Looks really good. Go ahead, and then I got a coconut cookie. And oh wow, look at that! It's all flaky. Let's try this. Mmm.
Is it good?
Oh wow. Very, very good.
Of course, we're gonna have a bite of that cookie. And we'll have a bite of the Danish.
Here comes the rain.
It rained all day, on and off. Oh wow, the cookie is good.
Apple Danish.
Messy, but good.
Very good. Some of the best cookies and stuff I had in a while. So your apple Danish was good. This is really buttery, and the coconut just sets it off. Both very, very good. I highly recommend. Oh my goodness, look at that covered bridge. It's very unique. Yeah, it's private property. You can't go over it. Cherohala Skyway Harley Davidson. we're gonna have lunch here at the Tellico Beach Drive-In. So they do have a little beach down there, great picnic area. You can sit out here and watch the river float by you. I got a beach burger with cheese and onion rings, and Dawn got a beach burger the exact same way with French fries. And this is really, really cool. And this is at the beginning of the Skyway, or the end, either way you look at it. And it's a busy little place. There's a lot of folks over there waiting in line to get some good old drive-in goodness. So this is where we're at, and we're gonna zigzag through the Skyway all the way over into North Carolina and then out towards Bryson City. So we got the burgers, we got the onion rings, the fries. Nice little place along the river here to have lunch. There's my beach burger with cheese, a side of onion rings, and look at that. They're golden brown. And let's look under the hood here. And we got some lettuce, tomato, some cheese, a little mayo there on top. The bun seems to be soft, and there's Dawn's, the same burger, but you got the
French fries.
The fries instead. And that's a big burger, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a humongous burger. It's been a long time since I've had an onion ring. Wow. Good.
Good.
Good. It's a big old burger, isn't it? Well, how are those fries?
Hot.
They're hot. That's the way we like them. Hot fries, right?
Hot fries.
Very, very good. The bun is super soft. The beef is really good, like really good. It's not super juicy, but I think it's done right. The tomato, lettuce sets it off. Good burger. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Skyway all the way over towards Cherokee, North Carolina, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be nature, right?
Nature at its finest. Hopefully we see a bear or something.
So they're talking about the cove, and there was a beaver pond and a lodge. Yeah, it reminds me a lot. You have the Foothills Parkway. Very, very nice. Very peaceful. This is our first overlook, and wow, it's beautiful. And this is our first time on the Skyway. And I can already see there's a lot to do. In fact, there's a waterfall called Bald River Falls, about 6 miles that way. We don't have time for that today, but I think we'll be back.
Yeah.
But it doesn't remind you of the foothills?
Yeah.
Like the Foothills
It's
Parkway.
beautiful up here.
And I can see why this is beautiful during fall time, because, you know, all the leaves and everything will be changing, and
We'll have to try and make it back up for
for
that.
fall.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, that's like something we should have done years ago. We just never made it around. You know, we always, I guess, stayed in the Smokies. You know, we always stayed close to home. And We're here in Indian Boundary. It's a little picnic area. I think it's a campground. The campground part looks like it's closed right now, or they have a gate up. But it looks like they have really nice hiking trails around this little lake. I noticed that there's a bridge over there, probably part of the hiking trails.
Like a hiking trail.
But wow, yeah, it's surrounded by mountains there, and then pretty cool. A little detour off of, but it was lots of fun. There ain't nobody here right now. Absolutely nobody. So we are right there, and the lake is called Indian Boundary Lake. Very cool. There's a little campground over here, a boat ramp, camping, picnicking, and yeah. Cherokee National Forest has a lot to do. I was reading over there some of the things you can do here. I think there'll be a lot more future visits. At the top of the mountain, there was fog, and it's sunny again. They have this little lookout here. We decided to pull off and stretch the legs. Now, I believe this is like 42 miles total, and you do climb in elevation and descend. Wow, beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. It's getting chilly.
Yeah, it's getting a little cold. But yeah, it's been fun. And look at that. Wow. We pretty much had the whole place to ourselves. Really not much traffic or anything out here. But the Skyway was amazing. We will definitely be back. We want to go there during fall. We got to do Benton's country hams. That was really cool. It's a little piece of Tennessee. And yeah, it was a great day. Tellico was beautiful. And folks, that's going to do it for today. Here in, well, at home, here in the Smoky Mountains. If you like this vlog,
Give it a thumbs up.
also if you haven't, please subscribe so you miss these upcoming Smoky Mountain adventures. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye everyone.